Welcome back, folks. My name's Shane. Today we're checking out the brand new 2019 Apple iMac. This is the 9th generation i5, one of the stock ones you can buy straight off the shelf. Comes preloaded with 8 gigabytes of RAM, an 8 gig video card as well, the 580X, which I'm really looking forward to seeing how much of an upgrade that is over my old school 2015 iMac, which I've been using for video editing and Final Cut now for quite some time. I'm interested to see how much better the screen is as well. I skipped everything else in between. So I skipped the 2017 iMac, and I also skipped, price-wise mostly, the Apple iMac Pro. It's just way too expensive for me here. And not all of us, and I'm pointing at you, Max Urev, pointing at you, we all can't afford this top spec'd out stuff. So for me, this will last a few years doing the stuff that I do for YouTube. Just kidding, Max. I love your channel, by the way, mate. But anyway, yeah, a lot of us can't go out and just spec up all of these systems. So I want to see how this performs for the tasks I've been doing. I've been doing daily video editing for the last few years on my 2015 iMac, and it's been okay, but it's really starting to struggle. It can't really handle the 10-bit video files very well. Sometimes playback is pretty nasty, so I thought I'll give this a shot. Fingers crossed it works. Let's check it out. All right, here it is. Let's get some B-roll. Well, you gotta give me some credit. That was maybe the most uncoordinated unboxing of all time. Anyway, I buy this to use it, not for the unboxing, so let's check it out. All right, here we go. It's got the little sticker on the back. Now I'm going to keep all the packaging because I'm basically, well, most likely going to sell my 2015 iMac after I do some comparisons and all that kind of stuff. Now I don't plan on buying the next one of these. It'll be 2 or 3 years before I buy the next one, unless of course it breaks down, but that's just me. I don't need to keep upgrading tech every year. I'm still on an iPhone 6s Plus, which I had since it came out. All right, look at that, nice and clean, unlike my 2015, which is actually in the other room. Included in the box, we get the power cable. We also get a keyboard and mouse. Under here, we also get a lightning cable, so we can charge the phone and or the keyboard or mouse. Comes free with one, free after you just spend a fortune. Throw in a few more of these, Apple, come on. Here's a welcomed addition, a microfiber cloth for cleaning the screen. Now I can't remember if I got one of these with my 2015 iMac or not. Odds are I probably did, and I just lost it. Now there's one other thing you get when you do buy an Apple computer or you get one of their phones. You get a big hole in your wallet or credit card. So here's my new video editing workstation. It won't be in this room. Obviously I don't sit back to back next to another computer, but it's gonna go out there in my editing space, and it'll be my new workhorse for all of my YouTube videos, including the videos I do on this channel and other channels as well. So there's a few reasons I didn't go for a 2017 iMac. Not that there's anything wrong with upgrading every time something comes out, but I just didn't feel like it was a big enough jump for me to move from my 2015 to the 2017. It did get higher benchmarks and CPUs were slightly faster, but this would be a whole lot of a jump from the 2015 to the 2019 as opposed to getting that middle one where I'm not going to notice as much of a bump in performance with the 2019. So if you're like me and you never went for a 27 iMac, you were waiting for this one, and you've still got a 2015 or earlier, I'm going to be putting together some videos and comparing that model versus this with Final Cut as well. I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of the Geekbench sort of benchmarks. They've already been done, but I want to look at it from a usability point of view, how nice it is in terms of its workflow. Are there any major differences other than the Thunderbolt 3 ports, which I'm looking forward to using as well, especially with my external SSDs. And then I'm also going to give you some tips about how I work in Final Cut with one of these computers as well, and hopefully it might help you as well. If you have any requests or anything like that, please let me know in the comments. I'm going to go set this up in my other room. My name's Shane. I'll catch you soon. See ya.